I got the Cuda in the booth right now. It's all masked up, looks good. I'm very excited to paint this car. I mean, this is the one that started the show, so being the one that paints it, when everybody sees the car, they'll be able to associate the fact that Will Scott painted it. I'm gonna try to get through this as quick as I can without seeing Mark at all. I haven't done well in the past.
I'm coming up, so you better get a potty started. Come on, my Curious George.
So I don't think
Still
I'm gonna be able to
undecided.
get through the car without him knowing. Here he is.
I know I can be a bit overbearing. I'm well aware, I'm painfully aware of that. My wife tells me that all the time. The point is though, this is the big one, right? This is the one that the whole show was built on. I'm not gonna miss out on it, all right? So yeah, I keep my ears to the ground. I make sure my little tentacles are out there, and if I think somebody's getting ready to do a final paint, I'm all over it. It's like the big fight, you know, when you're behind you're coming out and they're calling you and you're running down the thing and everybody's screaming.
Okay, I'm gonna go get started.
Get throwing punches and stuff. And Mickey's over here. Give him hell, kid. You knock this block off. Rock. This being the day it gets its actual application of the base and the clear, the beautiful, gorgeous EV2 Tour Red in PPG base coat clear coat, you bet your sweet bottom I'm gonna be here. I have confidence in you. I don't even know if you need it.
No, I'm good. I just want to get rolling.
I understand, but Big Brother's gonna be watching in, and Big Brother is on your side this time. I'm not looking to win $1 million and be the last person standing, okay? No, I've always been on your side, but I think that, you know.
Do I really have to go in there?
Take a look.
You want me in there?
No, I'm fine. You keep working.
This is just more of Mark's silliness. What I'm thinking is I'll get through this car, and this is it. No more 8 o'clock in the morning shooting when everybody gets here and gets ready. I'm gonna go back to coming in at like 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, get the camera crew here, get everybody here, start getting cars painted when he is in bed. Because these little talks are getting worse.
This is big boy stuff, you know? I mean, I play around. I like to lighten things up with a little bit of comedy. This thing looks good.
I don't know. I hear he's in the booth doing
job
something.
prepping it out. There's a lot of steps to this stuff. There's a lot of motions that have to happen. That he's done a good job. So I'm going to give him a thumbs up. I've been working on.
This is the last car I'm doing during on company time. Because this takes way too much time.
And I think I've done it in a way he can relate to. I think your green light go, Hoss.
So now we're ready to put our tank in. So what I'm gonna do is put this jack right here. So when we bring our tank in, we'll come in this way and then go right up in there and set it right on that jack. Well, that'll take care of our last clamp. Everything looks great. Got all our vent lines in up there, fuel lines and everything hooked up, our tank all bolted in.
Yeah, I'd say it was pretty easy, especially in comparison to all the other projects we've worked on together recently.
Yeah, no doubt. We'll go ahead and save the old tank from this car. It was in really good shape, so we'll just save it for another B-body. It's nice to have one up in the parts room.